In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a bank account and an automatic feed in Xero. This is a quick and straightforward process that will take you around 5 minutes, making your accounting tasks much more manageable and efficient. First, start by logging into your Xero accounting software. Make sure you're connected to the internet and head over to the Xero website. Once there, you'll see the login option. Click on that link and it will guide you to a page where you can enter your email and password. If you don't yet have a Xero account, you'll need to set that up beforehand, as this step assumes you already have login credentials. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click that login button. After you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. From the dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your Xero account, navigate to the accounting option. You might need to look towards the menu or toolbar, depending on your screen setup, but once you find accounting, click it, and this will bring up another menu. From this new list of options, select bank accounts to proceed to the section where you can manage your bank data. In the bank accounts section, you'll see an option to add a new bank account. This is what allows you to track all your transactions and maintain updated records, so click on Add Bank Account. Once you've selected to add a bank account, Xero will prompt you to search for your bank. You can either type in the name of your bank in the search bar or choose from a drop-down list if that's available. This step is crucial as it's how Xero links to your actual bank account, so make sure you select the correct one. After locating your bank, the next step involves connecting directly to your bank's online system. You'll need to click Continue once you're set with your banking details. This action will redirect you to log into your bank account. Make sure you have your banking credentials handy for this part of the process. Once you enter your credentials and successfully log into your bank, Xero will prompt you through the steps needed to complete the connection. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve granting permission for Xero to access your bank feeds. Ensure you read these prompts carefully to understand what permissions you're allowing. Once completed, your bank account is linked directly with Xero, ready to pull in transactions automatically, making your future accounting tasks streamlined and efficient. Congratulations, you've now set up a bank account and enabled automatic feeds in Xero, bringing all your banking activities seamlessly into your accounting software. This setup will save you countless hours down the line, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. Thank you for joining, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and insights.